Okay, a little example. Given a confidence interval of 0.25 to 0.35, what is the point estimate, p hat? So they have the confidence interval. You could say 25% to 35%, or you could say 0.25 to 0.35. Mostly, since we're statisticians now, we're going to just leave it as decimals. We would convert it to percent if we're talking to normal folk, but we are statisticians. Okay, and then what is the margin of error? So the point estimate. So it's somewhere between 25 and 35%, or more specifically, it's exactly right between them. So what is right exactly between 0.25 and 0.35? So let's just get the average. Let's take the mean. So on my calculator, I would just add them up and divide by 2. 0.25 plus 0.35, enter, divided by 2. Oh, 0.3. I didn't even need a calculator. Aha. 0.3, maybe 0.30 looks better. What's between 25 and 35? 30. So far, so good? Okay. What is the margin of error? Okay, so let me introduce a formula. Here's my confidence interval. So how do we get from 30 to 35? How do we get from 30 to 25? So it'd be a difference of 0.05. So that's our margin of error. So here's a formula. P hat plus or minus E is just our confidence interval. So if we were to rewrite this, it's 0.30 plus or minus 0.05. So if you go 0.30 minus 0.05, you get 0.25. If I go 0.30 plus 0.05, I get 0.35. And you see how we get right back where we started from. So confidence interval, what's the center of the confidence interval? That's our point estimate, p hat. And then once we have our p hat, how far is it to that upper bound? How far is it to that lower bound? So maybe I should write those words down. Lingo. Did they need to name it upper bound and lower bound? No, but they did. So just more lingo. As you read the section, you'll see those terms. Okay, so point estimate to lower bound. So I had to go p hat minus E and then p hat plus E. Aha.